Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents what is Six Sigma belts, executives, and champions. These people conduct projects and implement improvements. Master Black Belt, trains and coaches black belts and green belts, functions more at the Six Sigma program level by developing key metrics and the strategic direction. Acts as an organization's Six Sigma technologist and internal consultant. B. Black Belt, leads problem-solving projects, trains and coaches project teams. Green Belt, assists with data collection and analysis for Black Belt projects. Leads Green Belt projects or teams. Yellow Belt, participates as a project team member. Reviews process improvements that support the project. White Belt, can work on local problem-solving teams that support overall projects, but may not be part of a Six Sigma project team. Understands basic Six Sigma concepts from an awareness perspective. Brown Belt is a person who has their green belt and has passed the black belt certification exam, but hasn't completed a second Six Sigma project. Champions translate the company's vision, mission, goals and metrics to create an organizational deployment plan and identify individual projects. Identify resources and remove roadblocks. Executives provide overall alignment by establishing the strategic focus of the Six Sigma program within the context of the organization's culture and vision. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.